Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 55th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 54 real reorder paragraph questions जो students को exam में आए हैं. We have discussed the strategies, the hacks, how to solve them quickly and correctly. First things first, now PT is accepted in UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can achieve your dream through PT, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PT academic. My name is Bharat Bridge. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT, and in this video series we discuss the hacks, tips and strategies which help you guys to also crack your PT and get your target score in your next attempt. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types जिनका order अब fixed है. The third question type in this series is reorder paragraphs and we are going to discuss this. But before that, let's see the real PT reading scoring. As you can see, this is the real reading scoring where the reading contributes just 47 marks and reorder paragraphs are of 6 marks. So it means that if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each. So these are important, especially अगर आपका target score 65 या 79 है, you have to make sure that you are acing the reorder paragraphs and these are very simple अगर आप हमारी strategies को follow करते हैं. Now coming to the time, कितना time दे सकते हैं आप एक reorder paragraph को solve करने के लिए? You can give a maximum of 2 minutes. And in these 2 minutes, first you have to skim the reorder paragraph, then you have to apply our strategies, then you have to make pairs, and then you have to confirm जो आपने pairs बनाए हैं वो सही हैं या नहीं हैं. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so you know that first of all in reorder paragraphs we skim the paragraph for finding independent line and agar possible hai to concluding line also, okay? And there are certain rules, tips and strategies which we apply for finding independent line as well as concluding line. So let's get started. The study includes the study, kaun si study, kuch nahi pata, right? So that's why we are going to eliminate this. So as a term art history, so as a term, so एक तरह से हमारा concluding line की strategy है, conclusion की तरफ बात हो रही होती है कि आपने काफी सारी बात कर दी, last में आप so use कर रहे हो to sum up the things, okay? Art historians compare different time periods in art history. Yes, seems like an independent line. Art history is the study of objects of art in their historical development and stylistic context. Yes, seems like independent line. What we are doing is we are doing process of elimination. In process of elimination, जितने भी wrong options हैं, we keep eliminating them. जो options बच जाते हैं, उनमें से we try to find the right answer. It also, it pronoun है, also मतलब already कुछ बात हो रही होगी, so that's why we are not going to take this also as our independent line. Now we are left with 2 lines which can be independent. Now we are going to apply our BS strategy, brought to specific strategy. And we are going to see in दोनों independent lines में से ज़्यादा generic independent line कौन सी है. Art historians compare different time periods in art history. यहाँ पे आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो? Art historians की. और art history is the study of objects of art in their historical development and stylistic context. अब ध्यान से समझना है इस चीज को, राइट? आप हिस्ट्री की बात करते हो, हिस्टोरियन क्या होते हैं? जो हिस्ट्री को पढ़ते हैं, राइट? एक सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है। सो जनरल ब्रॉड कौन सा होगा? हिस्ट्री की बात ज्यादा ब्रॉड होगी। हिस्टोरियंस आर नैरोड dimensions or narrowed area for that broad field. So that's why we are going to select this as our independent line. Now, art history is the study of objects in their historical development and stylistic context. Okay. Now let's see the pairs. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, so as a term, तो इसको as a concluding line लेके चलते हैं. We are going to put it in the last. So अभी हम इसको touch नहीं कर रहे. अब the study art historians, it also किस में होगा, right? अब depending upon our SO strategy, यहाँ पे आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो? स्टडी की, right? सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी, तो द स्टडी और द स्टडी का पेयर बनेगा. पहले आपने बताया आर्ट हिस्ट्री क्या होती है. इट्स द स्टडी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ आर्ट, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. देन अब वो स्टडी मतलब आर्ट हिस्ट्री इंक्लूड्स पेंटिंग, स्कल्पचर, आर्किटेक्चर, सेरामिक्स. So this is how we are going to make a pair over here. Okay. अब again eliminating this line for now. आर्ट हिस्टोरियंस आएगा या इट ऑल्सो आएगा? आर्ट हिस्टोरियंस के साथ होता तो यहाँ पे क्या होता? दे, राइट? प्लूरल की बात हो रही है, पर यहाँ पे क्या बात हो रही है? सिंगुलर की बात हो रही है. और सिंगुलर क्या है? हमारी स्टडी, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई it also shed light on the history of different group of people and their culture represented throughout their artwork. So that's why we are going to put this line over here because it's still building art history के बारे में ही. पहले हमने art history को define कर दिया, फिर उसके बाद हम बात कर रहे हैं कि वो study में क्या क्या include होता है, उसके साथ और भी चीजें जो include होती हैं. So this is the logical flow. Okay. Now we are left with these two lines. Again, if you know our strategies, it will be easy for you to apply things because यहाँ पे so वाली जो बात है, right, as a conclusion line है. So यहाँ पे आपकी सिर्फ एक ही line बचती है, which can be a fourth line. Art historians compare different periods of time or in art history. Okay. अब उसके बाद आप conclusion में जा रहे हो. So as a term, art history encompasses matlab includes several methods of studying the visual arts in common usage referring to works of art and architecture. So आप end में ये as a concluding line ले रहे हो. I hope you have got the logics, and now let's see if the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, it will be easy for you to make pairs because we make pairs on the basis of logic. We do not read the text, we do not skim the text. उस सेंस में कि हमें मीनिंग्स नहीं समझने होते हैं टेक्स्ट में, राइट? यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई द लॉजिक्स. So what are our strategies? The first strategy is finding independent line. We try to find independent line. Then be a strategy which is brought to specific strategy. You had seen today how this strategy was useful when we were finding one independent line from two independent lines. Then CO strategy, which is chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors, TO strategy, topical order strategy, AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy. You have seen its usage today. And then last sentence rule, so use ho gaya, so we are going to use that in the last sentence. I hope you are clear that if you know all these strategies, it will be a piece of cake for you to achieve your target score. But remember, you just have 2 minutes. Okay, in 2 minutes, first you have to skim the content in first 30 to 60 seconds, then try to find independent line, try to find conclusion line, and remember, conclusion line is always optional. And then in next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply the strategies. Pairs banane hote hain, and your focus should be always on making pairs. All the strategies which we teach at Marvel PT are validated and proven strategies. And proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have achieved 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699 If you have any questions or doubt, or if you want to take online or in-institute coaching, you can contact us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.